Hello everyone, let's talk about Leetcode 75 inner questions and question number 283, move zeros. What it says? It says given an integer array nums, move all zeros to the end of while maintain the relative order of non-zero elements, and note that you must do this in place without making a copy of array. We have a nums array and output like 1, 3, 12, 0, 0. All the zeros is appending or inserting at the end of an array. So firstly, we will initialize the left and right pointers. We will solve this question using the two-pointer approach. We will initialize and we will loop through the nums array, and if right pointer points to non-zero element, we will swap with left pointer. Why? Because left pointer is always points to 0, and right pointer, when it points to non-zero, we will swap, and we will increment the left pointer, so it should point to 0 again, and then we will increment the right pointer, like always in the iteration. Yeah, it bets 96 percent. Okay, let me explain it. What we will do, go description, we have nums, we have 0, oh my gosh, 0, we have 1, we have 0 again, we have 3, we have 12. So in the first iteration, left point is here, right pointer also here. It iterates like if right pointer is non-zero, it will swap, otherwise it increments the right pointer. Like if this is non-zero, but in our case it's 0, so we will increment right pointer. So right pointer will be here, and if it is non-zero, it is non-zero, so we will swap. Yeah, now we have 1, 0, 0, 3 and 12. After swapping, we will increment the left pointer and right pointer as well. Like now left pointer is here and right pointer is here. And we will check right pointer is non-zero, like it is 0, so we will increment the right pointer. Right pointer points here, like now we will check it is non-zero. Yeah, it is non-zero, so we will swap. After swapping, we have another. Oops. 0, 0 and 12. Now our left pointer points here, because we just incremented, and also we incremented the right pointer. Like right pointer now will point to like here 12. Now we will check is this is non-zero. Yeah, it is non-zero, so we will swap. After swapping, we have result. Yeah, it's our last iteration because right pointer is reached the end of nums here. Yeah, we have a result 1 2 1 3 12 0 and 0 as expected. I hope you understand. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.